Welcome to the new session of HTML, the HTML practical. In this session, I am going to discuss about the list property. So before to start with the list property, let's talk about the list element of the HTML topics. Because to apply the list property, you should have to use or you should have to understand the list element of the HTML concept, right? Very well, I mean say. So the list elements are, there are three types of list you can design, you can create using HTML tags. So the one is order list, another one is unordered list, and the third one is, yes, definition list, right? So for order list you have OL tag, for unordered list you have UL tag, and for definition list you have DL tag. Now that is to just informing that the type of, which type of list you want to prepare. But to prepare the list, the number of items, right, we have to use LI tag. So along with OL, UL, DL, you have to use LI tag, right? It's a list maker element. So now you have to apply the properties using CSS. Once you have to prepare the list, then you can use the CSS list property. So let's see how to use it. List property specify the types of list for the item marker. It is useful for creating a numbered or bullet point list. The following are the different list properties. So the first property we are going to learn, that is list style type. Now what is the use of list style type? It allows you to control the shape and the appearance of the marker. The possible values for unordered list. This is for the unordered list. So for the unordered list you can use disk, circle and square. But for the order list, we have decimal, lower alpha, lower Roman, upper Roman, etc. Fine. So in order list, you will get the list in the sequential order. That order of the sequence you may change, right? But normally, I mean in the ascending order or the descending order. But there is a sequence, there is a number. That number system can be changed using list style type. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4, you can use ABC, you can use 1, 2, 3 with Roman letter. Along with the lower and the upper, I mean the lower alpha, so it is capital ABC. Sorry, upper alpha is capital ABC and the lower alpha is the small letters of ABC. So different list, different numbering you can apply with the help of list style type. Let's see the example. So first of all you have to use the, you have to create the list and then you can apply the style. So I have used your OL tag, that means I want to prepare the order list. So the order for the math, science and social science and the physics. So if I use only OL tag without any property, it will gives me the result as 1 for maths, 2 for social science, 3 for physics. Let's see what is the possible values, the CSS property you can apply. So which type of CSS I have used here? First tell me the type of CSS. In this example, which type of CSS I have used? It's an inline CSS, right? So within the tag I have applied the CSS and the value is list style type. There is 3 words. So each word separated with hyphen symbol. So list style type colon. The value is lower Roman. Right? So you will get the numbers in Roman letters. So this is the list style type. The next property we have, that is list style position. It specifies whether a long point that wrap to a second line should align with the first line or start underneath the start of the marker. The two possible values are there. The one is inside and one is outside. It is very easy. Inside and outside is like, see, if your content starts from this position, so Li, that is the underneath, right? So this is the inside position. But you can see the closing OL tag at the same position. So this is again the outside value. By default value is outside. If you want to apply the change, then use inside. Only two possible options. Right? Sometimes you want to prepare the list of list. Right? That means a sub list. Let's say the first number that is, let's say here in this list, the Roman letter, it starts with I, right? So the first number is maths. Now inside the maths content, right, you can prepare the sub content of the math subject, right? So maybe that list starts with ABC or any bullet letters, right? Bullets, let's say the disc type or the circle type or the square type. Any list you can prepare. The unordered list if you want to create inside the maths, right? So there, that position, that comes a slight difference from the maths and the content of the maths, because you have to show those list item markers that is under the maths content, right? So the position of the maths is outside, but the content of the maths, that is inside. So that is the difference of the position. Two possible values, inside and outside. I'll show you the demonstration as well. Right, so you have to use the property like this: list hyphen style hyphen position colon outside. The next we have list style image. Image word is used here. That means you can create a bullet with your own image. You can design your own bullet or the ready-made image you can use. But that depends on the size. Right? To use image, right, you have to decide the size. So the practical demo I'll show you. List style image specify the image for the marker rather than bullet points or the number. So here I have used UL tag and the list, in the list with the style attribute, list style image. How to use the image, how to call that image? Using URL keyword, and with round bracket mention the image name, close the bracket, semicolon, close the double quotes. Right? So instead of bullet list or the numbering list, before the math, science and physics, you have your own image bullet, we can say. Right? I'll show you how to use it. And the last property is list style. It's a common property. It's a common property in terms of it serves as a shorthand for the preceding properties. You can specify all the list property into the single expression. It's similar like border. We define a border element and we define the size, type and the color of the border. So it is similar to that. So style, list style only. Right? So in style you can define type, you can define position as well as you can define image. All three together. So here I have used two options, which is position and the type. I want outside as the position with upper alpha value. So, four properties of list properties, which are those? List style type, list style image, list style position, and the last is the common property, that is list style. Is that clear? Right? Okay. Let us discuss the program. If I'll show you the code, you won't get the clear idea what type of list you are going to design, right? So better that I will directly show the output and then we'll discuss the code. In the output, I have prepared a different list, a multiple list in fact I have prepared in this program, right? And in each and every list, right, I have mentioned what type of values, what type of properties I have applied to that list. So there is a title and the list so that you can understand. So in this list, I have used list type. Which type of bullet is this? It's a disc or circle? Disc or circle? It's a homework for you. You have to find out which type of bullet is this. Whether it is a circle type or the disc type. Right? So, to prepare this list, compulsory you have to use OL tag. Yes? OL tag. No, you have to use UL tag because it's a on-order list. Right? There is no order. Which order is that? Who is at the first position? No one. Right? You don't want to decide the positions, the number positions. Right? So, for that you have to use unordered list. Right? So, for the unordered list, three options are there: disc, circle and the square. Okay. The next we have list style position inside. It is just the title. Right? So, in this list I have used a style position as the CSS property and the value which I have used is inside. So, you can see the normal alignment of the list and this is the inside position. So, slightly under the net. Right? A few pixel space is there. If it is a outside, see this is the outside. So again this at the same position. So this is the default position. So outside is also comes at default position. Right? If you will use it or not, right? It will be same. Outside position. The next is the list type. The type which I have used, that is Armenian. That is for, see, the comment I have mentioned here. To use this type, you have to open your web page either in Chrome or the Firefox, so that you will get the result, right? So this is the type. Clear? Okay. The next is list style, which is Roman letter with inside. So this is the common property. Two properties I have used from the list property. The one is the position and another one is the type. So with shortened property list style, I have mentioned Roman letter and position inside, right? So the Roman letter list is prepared with position inside. The last list I have prepared with list style image, in which I have designed my own bullet, my own image. Let us discuss how to create that. So I'll just open that image and I will show you the trick how to apply this or how to create this image. So I will just open my image in Paint. The important part is you should have to decide the size of the bullet, right? My size of the bullet is this much, right? So same size you will get on the web page. The important part is, normally will have the page size. This is my image size, but the Paint image, the Paint page size is this much. So without resizing the page, if I'll save it and let's run. What is the reaction? You won't get list, right? You won't get image. List is there. See, two names are there, but you won't get image. Where's your image? Image hide हो गया. Why? Because आपको क्या दिख रहा है? ये white color, white paper. So the important task is what? The size of the image, you have to resize your page, right? You should have to make your page. You should have to resize your page at the size of your image. Remember, right? I'll just save it now and refresh it. So now you will get your icon, your bullet back. Clear? So this is the important point for the image. Now let us quickly see the code. So the first list I have used UL tag, right? And the type is circle. Got it? Okay. The next is list style position. The list style position is inside. Again it is with the UL tag. Position outside with OL tag. Armenian along with the unordered list. It is one of the type of unordered list. The list style, right? The Roman letter and inside. So for the Roman letter, you have to use what? For the Roman letter, see the one change. The change is UL tag I have used, right? But what I have mentioned here, lower Roman, still it works because the property you have mentioned. And for the image, again unordered list style image, right? The bullet underscore image. The image type I have saved since it was designed in Paint, but I have saved as a GIF file. If it is PNG file, so use the PNG extension, not an issue. The Paint file extension is .png. Clear? But I have saved it as .gif. Right? JPG, JPEG, that will also work. Right? Only the matter is the page size, the image icon. Right? If you want to use a ready-made image, right, but you can't show the bullet as the full view of the image, so the portion of the image you can cut and placed at the top most corner of the paint page, you can say, and resize the page so that you will get the output. Okay, so just remember, I have not mentioned here the path because my both the files, this HTML file and the image file, both are available in the same folder. So no need to use the path, right? That's it for today. Thanks for watching my video.